whenever we have an alkene like this alkene and its next carbon is, this carbon is tertiary, then surprisingly OH is attached at tertiary carbon. This is the product formed. So how do it formed, वो मैं आपको बताता हूँ. First of all, what happened? H3O plus, you know, H2O plus H3O plus will attack on alkene, electrophilic attack, and leads to the formation of carbocation. So obviously carbocation formed is this one, but its next carbon is tertiary. Its next carbon is tertiary, and that's why this hydrogen will shift towards this carbocation and we get tertiary carbocation, which is more stable than the secondary carbocation. This is secondary carbocation and this one is tertiary carbocation, which is more stable, and this secondary carbocation is less stable. So this tertiary carbocation is first formed and this is called 1,2 hydride shift. So this 1,2 hydride shift takes place only when there is a tertiary carbocation next to the double bond. Keep in mind, because more stable carbocation is formed. So that's why with the rearrangement it is formed. Then there is a addition of water, nucleophilic attack of water, so leads to the formation of protonated alcohol, and then deprotonation takes place and we get the desired product. What is the name of this product? 2-methyl butane 2-ol. 2-methyl butane 2-ol. Here there is a Markov-Nikov addition with the rearrangement, because as carbocation is formed that can be rearranged to more stable carbocation. और इसी का example है, if we have quaternary carbon next to the double bond, then on addition of water, OH is attached here. This type of product is formed. So again, if we go through the mechanism, first of all, this alkene, H plus is added to it and we get CH3, 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 CH, CH3. This product is formed. Then 1,2-methyl shift. This is secondary carbocation which is less stable. Now when this 1,2-methyl shift takes place, methyl means with it is electron pair, CH3 negative. So we get CH3, CH3 positive, CH, CH3, CH3. So tertiary carbocation is formed which is more stable, and then nucleophilic attack of water. So we get protonated alcohol. So leads to the formation of protonated alcohol and then deprotonation. So what is the product? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 3,2,3 dimethyl butane 2-ol. 2,3 dimethyl butane 2-ol. So in this way, the acid catalyzed hydration, this is actually, these are reactions are acid catalyzed hydration of alkene, and in this acid catalyzed hydration of alkene they are Markov-Nikov addition, Markov-Nikov's addition with a rearrangement. because in these reactions carbocation is formed which can be rearranged to more stable carbocation. Okay, and this formation of carbocation is the slow step. Okay, and these are called acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. In simple way it can be explained like this, that we have propene, addition of water. So in this case there is no rearrangement. Why? Because in this case double bond is attached to primary carbon, but here double bond is attached to tertiary carbon, or in this case double bond is attached to quaternary carbon. Then if there is a quaternary carbon, then 1,2 methyl shift takes place. If there is tertiary carbon, then 1,2 hydride shift takes place. And this is a simple case where secondary carbocation is formed. Though there is a chance for the formation of primary, but secondary carbocation being more stable, it is formed. And if we see the mechanism of hydration of ethene to ethanol, then it is very simple. This is very important question for board exam, CBSE board exam. This question is very important, expected question. What is the mechanism of acid catalyzed hydration of ethene to ethanol? So first step is formation of hydronium ion, and then hydronium ion that will attack on the ethene. Electrophilic attack by hydronium ion on the ethene, and which gives carbocation, ethyl carbocation, because H plus is added to it. And then water will attack, that is nucleophilic attack of water on the carbocation and give protonated alcohol. And then this protonated alcohol is deprotonated because there's a loss of hydrogen as H plus ion, so loss of proton, and we get ethanol.